Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Bezgar's HM124. It is a brushless motor, 1:12 scale, 4-wheel drive, 52 kilometers per hour or 32 miles per hour RC truck ready to run. So taking a closer look, we saw that it comes with 2 canopies. Now what is so cool about that is that the extra canopy here comes with its own LED light roof rack assembly, so you don't have to take this one off and put it on this one. You just switch the canopy whenever you want. Just make sure if you want LED lights to work, connect the LED light connector. Now the canopy has a clear protective film, so if you want to stick on decals or anything like that, peel that off first, and that's what this warning label is all about. Now the canopy clips come with these pull tabs on them, so it is really easy to remove. So all canopy clips should come with these pull tabs. So just remove the canopy and we can take a look at the internals here. So we have the 2847 3800 kV brushless motor. Just peel off that "do not touch, it is hot" warning label off. And we have a removable aluminum heat shield for the motor. We got the Dean's connector for the power source, and we have the 2-in-1 receiver / ESC combo unit. There's a little aluminum heat shield on it as well. Here's the receiver antenna, and there's a 3-wire servo connector going to the 2.5 kilogram steering servo for the steering, and the on and off switch has been rerouted externally to the side of the body for easier access. So there's 2 accessory ports on the 2-in-1 unit. One is going to the LED light cluster. Now there's an empty one here. You can also connect the rooftop LED lights to this empty slot. It is a lot easier than where it was originally connected. And here's the battery bay with the Velcro closure. Now the battery is a 7.4 volt 1600 milliamp size battery, said to be good for about 20 minutes of runtime. Now my unit came with 3 batteries for a total runtime of 60 minutes. So we have independent suspension with oil-filled aluminum shocks on each of the wheel, and it has a very well balanced suspension travel. The front and the rear of the RC vehicle basically goes up and down simultaneously, so very well balanced. We also have a full metal drivetrain, so all the drivetrain components are made out of metal. We have a couple of LED lights in the front bumper as well, and the tires are soft, grippy to the feel rubber tires. Very nice. Now the spoiler comes in a separate bag, so screw it on with the 4 provided screws, and the RC truck is ready to go. You just need to charge up the batteries. Now the remote controller is your typical pistol grip style remote controller. Now it doesn't come with any foam on the hand wheel. So taking a look on the top, we got the on and off switch. We have the bind button. We have a red LED and a green LED. We got the steering reverse switch, the throttle reverse switch, steering trim, steering dual rates, and the speed controlling knob. Now the remote controller is actually made for the left hand, but it still feels really good using the right hand. And it will take 3 AA size batteries, and the batteries are provided. All right guys, so here we go with the test drive. I got all the LED lights hooked up, so you see the LED lights on the bumper as well as the LED lights on the roof, and I got a speedometer on there already attached. Just gonna go ahead and trim out the steering here. It looks like it's going pretty straight, maybe a tiny bit to the right. Oh yeah, looks like it's going pretty straight. We're going to start off right here in the desert field. Check out the speed. Should be nice driving right here. Nice big open area, a lot better than a little parking lot. So let's go ahead and get the GPS speedometer started. Gotta wait for the GPS satellites. Takes a little while the first time around. Do I still got the protective film on there? Yes, I do. Let's finally take that off. There we go, we can read it now. I want to mention too is that when you get a brand new RC truck or car or truggy or buggy or whatever, make sure you tighten this thing here so the wheels don't fly off while you're trying it out for the very first time. There we go, we got satellites, so let's go ahead and change modes. And we got the speed mode here, so let's go ahead and enter, and it is recording. All right, let's do this. Full throttle, full speed. The speed is set to the maximum. Okay, so let's go. Sustained full throttle here. Nice and smooth. Looks nice. Okay, another sustained throttle, and one more run. Whoop, 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 this way. It spun out over there. There's a lot of gravel right there. Whoop. Okay, let's get into the flat area right here. Okay, there we go. And let's see, do I still got control? Yeah, I still got control. Let's see how far it goes. Yep, that's about 100 meters, and I still got good control. So no issues with going 100 meters. Okay, speed run on the way back. There we go. All right. Let's check it out. What was the top speed? This thing is nice and soft, a little bouncy, but it drives pretty good. Oh, look at that, there's a beetle. All right, let's check it out. Let's enter. Stopped, and let's check out the top speed. So we got 40 kilometers per hour as we have tested out here in the desert flats. That's not bad. Alright guys, here we go at another dirt field here. Over here we have a little jump area, so check it out and see how this thing does on the jump. Full throttle. Oh, you can launch this thing? Oh my god. Wow, this thing's got some speed and jumping ability. Wow, cartwheeled. Hopefully nothing is broken. Let me visually check it out here. Oh wow, all the linkages survived. So there you go. Durability test. Wow. That is awesome. Okay. Let's try this side where it's a little bit less jumpy. Alright. Glides right over it. Oh, this thing's got nice ride. I can kind of see that it has a nice bouncy ride. Let's do that jump again. Nice. So you gotta let go of the throttle just a little bit because this thing will launch. Wow. Same battery as the initial battery that I did the speed test. Oh, there's a little bump over there. A bunch of rocks in the way. Oh, look at that. Yeah, if you continue with the throttle, it will wheelie upwards and it'll start flying up. Oh, so you got to let go of the throttle a little bit after the takeoff. There you go, nice little downhill jump, smooth. Oh, look at that. Wow, you can have a lot of fun on jumps with this RC truck. Wow, fantastic. Nice. Okay, here we go. Wow, I'm liking this one. You can do this all day. Okay, not much of a head start, and let's see. There you go. Wow. Let's do some donuts. Man, I ate some dust. That is awesome. Oh, run over the rock, run over the bunch of, what is that, grass dried up. Okay, here we go, another jump. I think I let go of the throttle a little bit too early on that one. Let's try that again. Wow, not bad. Spinning out in the soft dirt over there. Okay, full throttle. Again, I kind of let go too early. Anticipating the jump too much. Here we go. That's a nice one. Awesome. Awesome. Man, if you take this to the skate park, you'll probably break this thing because it jumps so high. Wow. Okay, pretty nice. Wow. Just like that, it'll make a jump. And I got no problem or no issues with the steering control. This thing is deadly accurate. So no issues. It doesn't veer off or anything like that. There we go. If you keep the throttle up a little longer, it starts pulling the front up. Nice. Man, this thing is freaking awesome. All right. Going downhill, flipped over. Wow. scrape up the top, but because you have that light rack on the top, it prevents the body from getting scratched up. So that kind of helps in that manner as well. Yeah, all RC trucks should come with a light fixture on the top. Oh wow, it's got a perspective from below the hill. Nice. See what I mean? It's got nice suspension and it's got nice puffy wheels, so when it makes the jumps and when it lands really nice. And it drives really nice too. Wow, perfect. Wow, very nice in the dirt. All right, here we go in the grass. Clean off some of the dirt that we accumulated here in the wet grass. It's a semi-tall grass. They need to cut it pretty soon, and they just watered it overnight or early in the morning, so it's a little bit damp. So it's bobbing up and down, and it does really good in the grass. Right over here is the low area where the grass is not as tall, so you see some brown spots over here. Oh yeah, this thing hauls butt. It wants to flip over. Look at that. It's so grippy. It wants to go sideways on two wheels. That is something else. Look at that. You can do some two-wheel practices. Oh, look at that. I flipped over and it turned upright again. Nice. So there you go, guys. In the grass. This thing hauls butt in the grass where it's not as tall. If the grass gets tall, like right over there, it starts to slow down a little bit. You can see the tires kind of getting buried over there, but it's still chugging along. Same battery, the first battery that I used in the dirt and on the speed run. So pretty good run time on this 1600 milliamp battery. And they do provide you with 3, or you can get the one that has 3. So not bad. Look at that. Oh yeah, you can have a lot. Oh, the sideways. And the LED lights are so bright. They should make for a nice nighttime drive as well. All right, there we go, guys, in the grass. Now, one of my favorite things I like to do with an RC truck is to mount an all-in-one VTX on the top and drive FPV. I'm at the park here and I got another 6 minutes of runtime before the battery gave out. So 20 minutes is easily achievable with this RC truck. Now, one little mistake I made here is that I am using the Mobius Minicam for the HD recording. So the field of view is narrow, something like 90 degrees. And also the video is very shaky, and this camera does not have any stabilization. But the main reason the video is shaky is that the canopy shell is not flush when you insert the canopy clips. So the canopy is loosely clipped on. So to fix that issue, I put some poster putty between the canopy and the frame of the RC truck. So there is no play and the video quality is a lot better. Here I'm also using the GoPro Hero Session 5, which has super view and video quality is a lot better. So this is another RC truck that I would highly recommend for FPV because it has nice handling. The steering is deadly accurate and the suspension is nice and soft. And as you saw earlier at the dirt field, it is a great RC truck for jumping. So that'll do it for this video of the Bezgar's HM124, the brushless motor 1:12 scale 4-wheel drive RC truck ready to run. So if you want to check it out for yourself, the product link is down below in the video description. So thank you so much for checking out the video. Have a great day and we'll see you again next time.